Hi, I'm Benjamin, General Manager of Fixed Roofing. Metal roofs are a top choice for Florida homeowners because they're built to withstand high winds, heavy rain, and even flying debris. With durability that can handle winds up to 160 miles an hour, they're ideal for hurricane-prone areas. If you're considering a roof replacement, a metal roof is a long-term investment for your home. Today, we're going to show you how we install one of these. But first, let's hear from Jason, the pastor here at Christ the King Presbyterian Church, on why he chose a metal roof.
So we chose to go with a metal roof just for longevity's sake. We wanted to get the most out of our money, and with the recommendation of Ben, Cody, and the team at Fixed Roofing, we decided that metal was the best route for us. For the sake of energy efficiency, we decided to upgrade to the solar fans to pull out some of the heat from the attic space and reduce our energy costs.
Thank you, Jason. And now let's dive into the options and benefits of metal roofing. Here at Fixed Roofing, we offer a wide variety of metal roofing systems that will both enhance the look and resilience of your home. One of the most popular metal roofing options is the 5V metal roofing panel. This is an exposed fastener roof system that is well known in the South Florida market due to its cost-effective application and resilience to wind uplift pressures. This roofing panel is available in 26 or 24 gauge metal panel thickness and comes in many different color options as well. A more premium choice is the standing seam metal roof. This system is often installed using thicker 24 gauge panels that deliver incredible wind resistance and strength. Withstanding over 200 pounds per square foot of uplift pressure, it's engineered to perform in hurricane-prone environments, keeping your home safe in severe weather. This roofing panel is also offered in 26 and 24 gauge panel thickness and a variety of color options. Metal roofs are also known for their energy efficiency. Unlike traditional shingles, metal reflects much of the sun's heat, keeping your home cooler. When paired with options like a solar attic fan, it actively ventilates the roof, pulling out trapped heat and boosting your energy savings. Metal roofing is an investment that boosts both the safety and the value of your home. Now let's dive into the installation process, demonstrating it through one of our recent clients' projects. Before installing your new metal roof, we first remove all existing roofing materials. This includes shingles, tiles, or even an old metal roof. We strip everything off to thoroughly inspect the underlying decking. During this process, our top priority is the safety of your property. We will always unroll tarps around your house to protect it from potential damage. We then haul away the old roofing materials in dump trailers, leaving your property clean and ready for the new installation. After removing the old roof, we meticulously inspect the plywood decking. We replace any damaged or rotting wood or fascia to ensure your new roof has a sturdy foundation. Rest assured, you'll already have an approximate cost for replacing any rotted wood or fascia at this stage. The next step is applying a waterproof underlayment over the decking. This acts as a second layer of protection, guarding your home against water damage and providing a smooth surface for the metal panels. We carefully clean the plywood of any sharp objects to ensure proper installation. At this stage, we protect all vulnerable areas of your roof, like chimneys, skylights, and valleys. After this point, we schedule a city inspection, which is a mandatory procedure in Florida. But you don't have to worry. We handle all the paperwork and we accompany the inspector during the inspection. Now it comes to the core of the process, installing the metal panels. Before laying each panel, we carefully inspect again the roof surface for any debris or objects that could affect the installation. This attention to detail ensures your roof has a clean, smooth appearance. We start at the eaves and work our way up, securing each panel with screws that go directly into the underlayment and decking. The key step is securely closing the locks on these panels, creating a tight and secure fit. This ensures your roof remains strong and weather resistant. Additionally, we meticulously seal around vulnerable areas like chimneys, skylights, and ventilation pipes to make sure they are fully protected against water intrusion and leaks. At the peak of your roof, we install a ridge cap, which creates a polished, beautiful finish. We take extra care with these panels, performing multiple checks to ensure perfectly even installation. In this roof, at the customer's request, We installed 2 Attic Breeze Gen 3 solar attic fans. These fans are designed to enhance attic ventilation by utilizing solar energy, therefore improving energy efficiency and reducing cooling costs. The Gen 3 series features high efficiency for different attic sizes and ventilation needs. Once installation is complete, we conduct a comprehensive inspection of the entire roof. We meticulously examine every detail to ensure flawless installation, providing you with peace of mind that your new metal roof is ready to withstand Florida's harshest weather conditions. We also promptly submit all the necessary documentation to the city for final inspection. During this final stage, we also thoroughly check your property for any small objects that might have fallen from the roof during installation. This extra step ensures both the cleanliness and safety of the area surrounding your home. At Fixed Roofing, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional service and quality with every metal roof installation. Our mission is to provide your home with a roof that's built to last, offering superior protection for decades to come. Are you ready to upgrade your home to a new metal roof? Contact us today for a complimentary consultation. We will demonstrate how a new metal roof will safeguard your home and boost its long-term value.